I got my gloves in my mouth. Salutations. This is a nerve check. I don't know how high I am. My guess is somewhere around the 60-foot mark, but I'm a good deal less nervous in this tree than I am in Snagzilla, because this is a green, healthy Ponderosa. Chopping limbs down and trying to see if I can't take care of that shaking problem that I had in that last video. I'm practicing ascending past limbs with a second lanyard. I've got some heavy 3/8 rope right here, and I've got the standard go-to cable flip line tied in as a secondary. I'm going to get some footage of me dropping limbs today, and I'm going to hang out in this tree for maybe a couple hours. I got to get my endurance up. I'm getting sick of having to come down in no time, but it's also a windy day, so I might go for a little ride. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I can't believe that anybody's watching my videos, but I appreciate you all, and thank you so much for coming along. Alright, we're all tied in. We're going to send this limb down. Alright, buddy. Ba-boom. Alright, I'm going to keep going up. Ooh, we're swaying around a little bit. Come on, wind. Of course, as soon as I turn the camera on, it decides to calm down. Oh, this system is working really good. And on the topic of things working really good, this Fiskars is impressing the hell out of me. I was going to get a Silky. I was planning on spending maybe $100 on some real fancy handsaw, but then it occurred to me that I'll try the Fiskars first. I mean, I paid 25 bucks. Apparently they were less than 20 just a couple months ago, but oh well. It's a beautiful saw. It gets a lot through with one cut. I'm gonna see if I can. This guy. Impressive. Let's see. Mind you, I'm not the sturdiest right now. Ooh, there's the wind. There she goes. See ya. Oh, you're gonna hang on, aren't you? These Ponderosas have 40 billion limbs each. It makes advancing, taking every limb on the way up, quite the nightmare. There you go. Boom. Ooh. I even was smart enough to bring my little coffee thermos up this time. Anyways, the Fiskar is freaking rad. Fiskars. This system is badass, but it's starting to get real clustered close, so I don't know. I'm 6'3" in socks and weaving through branches. Probably not something I'm the best at, but anyways, this is the fun that I'm having on a Friday afternoon. Could be a lot worse. As far as height goes, I have no idea, but a ways. And a ways down. Beautiful day. Oh, up over a couple more. See if I can't send this little fucker. Got him. You're mine, buddy. Let's see. Not a whole lot left on this little tree. And I don't quite have the shakes that I do in that dead orange one. I wonder if the wind picks up on camera. Not getting a whole ton done because I'm stopping to film so much, but you know what? I want to chronicle all this. This right here, it might look like 550 cord, but this is 14 strand 1,000-pound line, so I'm not worried at all that this will hold. It's really not even tensioned. I mean, I'll put my weight on this for a couple seconds. I've tested it, of course, but then it's back on the cable because I trust that thing. Oh, it's a beautiful day. And now I'm ascending past these limbs, and I think this is the ticket. I'll get that glove out of my mouth. I'm trying to remind myself to take out these little dudes like this. I do not want to get impaled if I gaff out. Let me take care of this. I'll move my rope first. Anyways, more fun in the sun. Oh, it's beautiful. I still got a ways to go on this guy though. But boy, I'm comfy. Oh. Back at it.